I have right here Advanced Network Cable Tester from FNIRSI. This is model LPM-10A, and you probably know simple network cable testers that have few LEDs built in, and that's all. This one is more advanced. It has built-in color screen and many built-in test functions. So let's see what functions does it offer, and let's unbox it and test this device. This is how it looks like. It has two parts: wire tracking, line alignment, continuity test, wire sequence verification, audio monitoring, lighting function, and also PoE. But on the back here we have more details. I have the model LPM-10A, so 2.4 inches color screen, Type-C charging, 3000 mAh battery. We receive many accessories like RG45 Ethernet, Type-C charging, user manual, RG45 to RG11, earphone, storage bag, RG11 to alligator clip, and certificate. And here we have the list of functions. We have wire tracking test, port flashing, network cable rate, length test, PoE test, line pressure test, and other models can have additionally red light and optical power meter for the version B, and version C can have ping test and IP scan. Receiver is the same for our models, and we can adjust sensitivity. We have two wire tracking methods, normal and anti-interference, line alignment, LCV detection, flashlight, low voltage warning, and headphone function. So let's unbox it. Here is the storage bag. Here we have user manual, USB-C cable, alligator clips, headphones, adapter, short cable. Here is the transmitter, and here is the receiver. Here we have product description. We have the ports, display, buttons. Everything is nicely written. What is what? Here we have the controls for the buttons. Short press, long press, rotate, and the same from the transmitter. And we have multifunctional intelligent wire tracking, system settings, parameters, receiver, operation guide, quick start, all the tests, how to run them, troubleshooting, maintenance. So all information that you need to use this device, they are included in this small manual. So let's test this device on, and let's test those features. Let's select the language, English. Let's adjust the brightness so you will better see it. So let's start by the first function, cable test. We can select between the switch and far end. Let's select first far end. Let's first try this provided cable between the transmitter and the receiver. We have green light and everything is good. Let's try some random cable that I found. It is good. And let's try to damage this cable. Let's cut this cable like this. And now let's try it. And here we have the errors. Only 3 cables are working. The rest is not connected. If I try to hold it, more cables are connected. If I will take it apart, less cables are connected, and you can exactly see what is working and what is not working. Let's try this switch function now. I've connected this cable to the switch. This receiver is disconnected right now. Let's plug this cable from the switch to this device. And I have information that everything is working except the G, but we can test cables directly connected to the switch if they are correct. Let's test the scan function. Let's connect to the scan port. Let's start in normal mode. Here we have the scan. And we can detect the connected cable. It is beeping when I will go to the correct cable. So in a server rack or any place where you have many cables, you can detect the one that you need by connecting this transmitter to the cable, and using this receiver you can wirelessly find the correct cable that you are looking for. And we also have this arrow that you should connect the cable to this point. Next thing, we have this flash function, and here on the side it is flashing. Also on the front it is flashing too. And on the switch it is also flashing, so you can detect to which port the cable is connected by this flashing light. Useful thing. Let's test this length function. Let's connect this cable. Let's select the unit and it returns 2 meters long. And if I will test it, it looks like 2 meters. But let's try something harder. Here I have a longer cable. I don't know how long is this, but it is longer. And let's see what results I will get about length of this cable. 11 meters. It is possible it may be 11 meters long. Of course, it has some accuracy. It doesn't show the perfect length up to 1 centimeter. I will show you on the screen what is the accuracy of measuring the length of the cables by this device, but it looks quite good and useful thing to quickly measure the length of the cables. Short ones, long ones, you can easily measure them. And on the second screen, here we have QC test. And we have the good connection. And this QC test is this number 7, crimp test. So it tests stable and accurate transmission by detecting the connection between the internal metal sheet and the core wires of network cables. So quick and easy check if the end is correctly crimped. You can also easily check the other end, and you can see that both ends are correct. So easy, useful test. Next one, we have a speed test. Let's connect it to the switch, and here we have the results. So easy speed test. Next thing, we have this PoE. So if we would connect the cable with PoE, we would see the parameters. I don't have a PoE cable right now, so I cannot test it. But for example, if you're connecting a camera that is powered by the PoE cable, you could test the cable if it is working correctly. And last things are the settings. Here you can select the language, light, volume, auto off, and about. Here we have the informations. So a really advanced cable network tester. It has many useful functions, much more useful than those simple testers with only few LEDs. Here you have a color screen and many functions that you can test your cables really well and really easy. And more details you can find in the description. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.